So I wasn't gonna even post a tutorial because I'm like, I want to get outside this weekend. But y'all know when y'all feeling like that little pressure, I've been feeling pressure all week. So that pressure to me mean that's gonna be my breakthrough. So it's like I'm getting close to a breakthrough. So I'm about to show you how to make a t-shirt less than 10 minutes. When I say less than 10 minutes, I'm not even capping. I'm gonna show you. And these people about to be so mad because I've been seeing y'all on a post asking how you do that, how you do that, and they ain't showed y'all. So look, y'all know football season is here, and also in October, what color do we wear? We wear pink, right? So I know you have a t-shirt. Make sure you got a t-shirt. I'm using Siser glitter heat transfer vinyl. Gray you some pink vinyl. I need you to log on into Cricut Design Space. This is why I'm telling y'all to pay the subscription. Pay it. And right here where say search, hold on. If you're new to Cricut, they give you a 30-day free trial. You get 30 days to make these projects for free. They gonna give you a 30-day free trial, and then you gotta pay $10 a month. But I'm gonna show you why you should invest in that 10. Go where I say type what you're looking for. I want you to type in tackle cancer football. Once you type it in, all this pop up. Hold on, let's go in depth with it. Hold on. Go to the top. Right now we on projects. I need you to hit images. Click on images. And all these images popping up, y'all. Oh my God, y'all see them? So you know I'm not lying. Guess what we about to do? I'm about to make one. I'm about to make this one right here. Click on it. Hit add to canvas. Wait, before we add it to canvas, y'all, look. Once you go down, so once you click on it or whatever, go down and they have more. Hold on, my Cricut is tripping. Hold on. I mean, the design space tripping. Okay, so look, once you click on that one, now it's a more like this. So you have different ones that you can do. So y'all see those people that's doing those shirts, they right here in y'all face. Go on Cricut and get it. Look, I'm not lying. It's right here. There it go right here. And all you gotta do is just pick one and just let's see, that one cute. They look, it's too many I'm just gonna stick to the program. I'm gonna go to this one. I'm gonna hit add to canvas. Okay, so here we go. I added to my canvas. Now as I can see, this is two different pinks. So I want to make all of it pink. So I'm just gonna do pink. Cause like I said, we just gonna do it simple. It's really simple and easy. But I ain't gonna even cap. This fine, I ain't really digging it. Let me change that real quick. So, okay, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a shape. And then I'm just going to, okay, I'm going to take a square. I'm going to take that square, move it over here. I'm going to go up here and unlock it. No, I should have, let's go back. Let's click on the square, move it down here. I'm going to take that square and just highlight it. And then I'm just going to slice this out because I don't want that. Okay, I decided not to be difficult. I'm just going to make it just like this. Okay, I need you to take, drag your mouse against the whole project. And I need you to go down there and hit attach it. Because you want everything to come out as one. All right, since I'm not doing nothing spectacular, I got my width at 10.5 and my height at 11.19. Then let's go make it. As y'all know, we are using heat transfer, so make sure you have to mirror your image. Click on continue. Remember, we're using heat transfer glitter, right? So right where it says set base material, make sure you find glitter iron on. All right, so I'm gonna open this. And remember, you gotta do pretty side down. So shiny side on the mat. The pretty side, this pretty side, it goes down on the mat. Place it down on the mat. It's gonna look like this, but I gotta put some tape on mine so my mat ain't sticky. I just need to clean it, that's all. Okay, now once it come out the machine, you gotta pull back. So now you need the weed. Now, this is good vinyl because at first I normally use my weeding tool, but this vinyl just pulling all off. So peel it off, weed it. All right, it's weeded out. Now let's go press it. You need to find the center of your shirt. So you take your shirt, fold it in half. Fold your shirt in half, and then I want you to press it for like 10 to 15 seconds. Press it down. My heat press is set to 320. So just press it down 10 to 15 seconds at the most. Okay, now you have your center line. Now, I do have a t-shirt ruler. That you can purchase. You can purchase these off Amazon. They come like in all sizes. But if you do not have this ruler, use your 3 fingers and place your fingers on the top line with a tag at. You place your fingers right there, and that's where you place your design. So your design will go right here. But since I have this ruler, I'm gonna use it. All right. Now to find the center of this, I want you to fold that in half. Fold it in half. You put like a little crease line. Once you put your crease line, you have it. So now all you do is you're going to place your design where that crease line is, where the center is. Place it right there. Once you place it, now it's time to press it. You can press for 20 seconds. I got my heat press 320, and I'm going to press for 20 seconds. Once you press those seconds up, I need you to remove it. Remove your vinyl. But I need you to do another press because you want to make sure the vinyl was up in there. So press it down. So you can do like 10 seconds if you want to. But make sure once you remove the carrier sheet, I need you to press it down some more. All right, now it's done. Keep you a trash can bite too. Now you just made a shirt. Those same shirts y'all see they selling, go make the shirt this weekend. Y'all should be posting y'all football shirts because I just showed you how to make it. Go ahead, go do it. Do what you gotta do. Now guess what? Your girl about to get outside for the weekend. I just showed y'all the tutorial. So see y'all.